Hey, Petty Fam. We're doing
Never Thought We'd Do This, ziplining through the jungle.
Let's
get into it.
get into it.
Hi, we just got dressed. We ready. We got our helmets on.
All right, safety first.
800 feet.
Bad ending is what it means.
Malfini. It says bad. It means bad ending. What? Why would y'all do that?
Y'all be safe, cause
Right, we say like we tried to tell you.
I guess we seeing this today. All right.
Yeah.
Like you about to touch it? Come on. Get me on this. We out of here.
Oh wow.
If you lose your camera, it's over.
For real. Glad they didn't lose us either.
No. Oh, that's pretty. Is that Jade Mountain?
Ooh.
Good morning,
question.
Royal Family.
Down
It's
below.
your girl Queen.
Hey,
sis.
girl.
Right now, I'm starting this vlog off. Well, of course, y'all see already. I'm starting off by myself. Sorry, I just jumped because there was a bird. It is our first morning here. And,
Like really bright.
but we have breakfast, as y'all can see. We waited a little bit to eat it because we, like, we slept a little bit more. They came at like 7 something. This is a Spanish omelet. He has a bacon and cheese omelet. And we have these waffles and like some fruits and orange juice. And this is a view in the daytime. Our plans today were initially to do like one of the excursions that started at 8:45, but oh, it's so bright. The way it's looking, y'all, Claire's got on his sunglasses. I can't either. I should have brought mine. The way that it's looking, you guys, we're probably gonna have to go to a different excursion because it starts at 8:45, or the shuttle bus leaves at 8:45, and it's like what time is it, babe, on your phone? It's
Oh, y'all not gonna make it.
We definitely wore our stuff out last night. Like we got in the
Now we got mad shit.
yeah, we like.
Like 3 different waters.
Yeah. We woke up, we took a little walk, then we went back to the, we got in the jacuzzi, we got in the heated pool, we got back in the jacuzzi, then we came back and we jumped in here late. We should got that on camera, but we jumped in here late, and then we went and sat in the tub. We just did a lot, y'all. We did a lot, including a bunch of other things, and we ate, and like, it's just, my hair, that's why I have my bonnet, because my hair, like, I'm trying to get to tame back together. I wet my hair a lot last night. I'm about to eat, enjoy this food, and yeah, continue on with our day, and we will take you guys with us. Y'all, so we had a change in plans. The crazy thing is we never even ate our breakfast. We never ate our breakfast that we showed y'all because we wanted to hurry up and make an excursion. The one that we could make is the zip lining, which we were gonna do initially before the whole boat excursion thing, the speedboat thing, but we want to ease our way in. But I'm actually really excited. I'm scared because we're gonna be like up in the air, you feel me? Clarence, he got on his light colors, I got on my white. I told him to wear it because I really wanted him to match me, but I was like, babe, just wear that. That's more regular. But I wanted him to match me, so yeah.
Everybody put zip on it?
Yeah, you can.
Zip line.
Oh wow. Comment below if you've been
Is it
ziplining
high? Is it high?
or if you want to go.
Okay.
It's not high. It's good.
It's not that high.
Lady.
It's lit.
Yeah, ma'am, and been on some higher than 800 feet.
Girl.
The zip liner, and I will show y'all how it looks when we drive there.
Oh, the drives are always the best.
Yeah.
To the
So
excursion.
Thanks for sharing, Claire. He got the little soundtrack. Oh, those streets narrow.
Yes.
They paved though. It look
Yeah.
nice.
But you know, it's mountainous, so they around all these
Oh,
mountains.
yeah. All them curves. Village on the hill. Ooh, my water.
y'all be acting like y'all want to hear our stories. We got really exciting stories about excursions on horseback up a hill in an island. Like, that's exciting.
Yeah.
So get us to our level 10,000K and we're gonna start telling all these great stories we got.
Right.
And it's funny.
And you gonna love them.
Yeah. Comment below if y'all gonna get our subscriber, help us get our subscriber up and tell these stories for y'all.
We have finally made it to our excursion, y'all. I'm so excited, but I'm also very scared. As y'all can see, when we was going up, it was like really pretty high up. So there are like different lines that's higher and longer than others. This is how it looks right now. Everyone has to put on helmets and
Sign your life away.
I don't know. I think so.
Yeah, I ain't never been ziplining, but I don't think I would. Would y'all go ziplining?
To go in there.
Oh, okay. All right.
Hi, so we just got dressed. He's ready. We got our helmets on. You know what I'm saying?
Wait, we did have to wear helmets for the horses though, right?
Protect our heads.
No.
Yeah, we did.
We're about to
Remember?
go up all these stairs.
I don't know.
No, we did, cause you was wearing a wig.
Yeah, I had a wig on, yo. It's funny.
Somebody is funny. But we was like, is it gonna go over the wig?
Me and my big headed wig is funny, yo. Giving instructions, you can't even hear them.
And are they giving instructions in English?
Yeah. He's just so soft, you can't hear him.
Oh, I hear him now.
Okay.
Never ever. That's a lot of shit to remember.
Especially if you can't really see.
Okay, right. If you far back like
You
them,
lose a hand.
woo! Don't lose no hand. What if you got a bad memory or
Oh yeah, I just realized I don't know how I'm about to even get footage of this. How am I gonna hold the camera?
they need a GoPro?
You should have had a,
But I should have brought the GoPro.
yeah. The GoPro would have been easier.
What happens when somebody break the line?
What if somebody too tall and they be dragging on the brush?
I think I'm gonna be more nervous when you get higher. But it don't look that bad now, but I am still nervous.
That was really fun. Look at the old lady though. That's good. Alright, well, we gotta remember you put it on.
Flow slippery.
That's all mess. Cause when you gone, you gone. What if you?
What if you slip on it before you get there? That's how much they drown with. How many people had to fall before they got the sun?
This one? The lower. Step out. Step out. We got to fix you up. Alright, so if you want, you could hold on to here as well. Okay. Alright, like that. Yeah.
Look at his eyes.
Hand behind you ain't gonna do one thing.
Oh shit. Experience. For sure. I'll get the cell phone and get some shots for you guys. Woo! Clear up the zip on the back. You did good, buddy. Yeah, yeah. I did. I got footage. Yeah, I mean, it's not hard. He wasn't scared, right?
But when it got higher,
Alright, y'all, should I give the camera to Queen?
Yeah,
She can
that's
hold
the
it?
other thing. Like, once
I'm
you
just scared she gonna drop it.
go one place, you got a whole nother thing to get back.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to hold it.
And then, you know, I want to get off. Because
Right.
she gotta keep going to me. So,
Just have a sit.
Like, what if I had a bad experience? I want to stop.
Keep it back.
too
Like
bad.
that. And good to go now.
Like this.
Yeah. Go sit
Do they
like
have the
that.
zip line at the stations?
Ready, y'all?
And they come in the morning and be like, okay.
Right.
Go.
1, 2.
Queen's doing good. She holding the camera
Yeah,
far.
she doing. Really?
Instead of all over her face.
Right, we can actually see the foliage back there. Instead of
Claire was scared. Claire was like, oh.
All you saw was his ass.
That's my boy Tupac right there.
Oh my God. Look at there.
My boy
It's
Tupac.
gonna have to be some water up under me or
He
something.
rap?
He does, yeah.
Oh, that forest. That's a lot scary.
A tarantula.
Oh my God.
Why is
Terrified of spiders, bro. I need to get on it. Oh shit.
You see
Oh
the collar
my
of the shirt?
God.
It's got white on
Claire.
his back
Poor
too.
Claire.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Claire.
What? Where could I send it? Oh yeah, I'm out. Get me
Claire.
on
If,
this.
if don't nothing make Claire go,
Right.
it's a spider.
I will not be stuck on this station.
A tarantula.
I don't think that was insurance.
It was some poisonous
Right, that tarantula hairy.
forest spider. I don't
I
blame
wouldn't
him.
mess with it though. He had that white on his back. He probably poisoned.
Wait, why am I hanging?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, Lord. Ooh, and that part, you gotta like lift all kind of weights because you gotta upper strength your way back to the thing. I ain't
Right.
about to get stuck.
I ain't pretty clear.
That was a little scary.
Yeah, I seen the biggest tarantula. That's why I had to get on it. It's
Oh,
like this,
Claire.
Claire, push folks out of the way.
He like, it's my turn.
Right.
The next line, they said have a lot of tarantulas.
Oh my God. Why y'all do that to Claire?
The weather's gonna change. Oh, it's about to rain. Oh shit, let's hurry and get a line clear.
And the bugs coming out.
Right.
It's a rainforest.
Y'all let me know if y'all see a monkey because I'm out.
I'm with Claire. I don't like bugs, so
Go for it.
I feel his pain.
She
said, oh.
noises. She said, I'm Jane. All right, she got her leg off.
Queen ain't scared.
She ain't scared of that.
She having fun. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh shit. Oh, I gotta exercise this arm to go back.
Everybody gotta do that. That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's good. Oh my God. Now where are the tarantulas? Cause I'm scared. How was it?
It was good.
He having
That
fun.
was, oh yeah, that was lit.
What?
Oh my God, y'all. We gotta go up these stairs.
It took more than 5 people,
Up
but
that
just
skinny
one
bridge.
time. Let's go.
You go ahead of me. You go ahead of me, please.
No, woo!
Oh, God.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Is it
Look
one
how
board?
skinny this bridge is, y'all.
At least it got the stuff on the edge, but
Look how skinny this bridge is, bro.
Oh my God.
Yo!
I dare not see a tarantula.
now how did they put that up there?
Child. And how do they check it? Because do they check it every day?
Nope. How they repair it?
Look at his face.
That's my boy right there.
All right, y'all. Oh, this one. Oh, I can't balance. Yes, I can.
Sis, you got a balance?
Hold on to this.
Oh. I feel like I'm at a humongous jungle park.
Right. It is, basically.
Yeah, really. I know CJ get old enough,
And
it's
just a
over.
workout,
Right.
too.
Oh.
This one just bit me.
Queen. is so long.
It is.
Alright, this is line 8.
Line 8.
800 feet.
Now come on.
Malfini? Malfini. It says bad. It means bad ending.
What?
Why would y'all do that?
Why would y'all do that? Clarence some got away.
Alright, that's not gonna open. Firm grip. If your body swerves to the right, you twist it left. If your body goes left, you twist it right. That's what
I got you.
What people don't know they left from they right, like that lady right there. She like left, right, what?
She said, nobody told me about the test. What's up?
Right.
Pretty, you know? I do push-ups at night. Yeah. Why would you guys name this Malfini? Bad ending. Well,
I know, but
but why?
we don't want a
You
bad
know?
ending right here.
When you're 800 feet up, you don't want to hear that. You know?
He left.
It could have. Yeah, I mean, you guys could have called it good ending. Good ending would have been.
He don't want to talk about it.
I'm here to make sure you have a good ending.
Okay.
If you go right, this is left. If you go left,
On the bad ending line. Okay.
coming up. So if you want to make it, you gotta listen to me
Ooh.
carefully.
Okay.
Because if not, you're gonna be stuck out there.
Oh my gosh.
I don't even know if I want to record this.
You should.
But what if I don't make it?
Don't say that, Claire.
I mean,
You gotta make
you
it.
quit asking a question about Malfini because he getting tight.
If you go right, you twist it left. If you go left, you twist it
Twist it
right.
right, okay.
Just lean back, relax, and enjoy.
He said they had to be across the
Yeah.
feet down.
25.
Oh shit. That's far
That's
enough.
it, right.
Going on forever.
Ever.
Oh.
Oh, shit. Those push-ups at night, man. Man, that one's amazing. I got the view too. Yeah. That one was crazy.
Hey, Queen.
Hey girl.
I can tell by your face you're
She's
scared.
so good at this.
Yeah.
She was not scared.
Right.
Thank God this camera still work. I just dropped it
Ooh.
on a tree house. You know what I'm saying? But we just finished all 12 lines. How you feel, baby girl?
This was such a good little.
It was fun, right? I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
That
I
was fun.
had a lot of fun.
That was
I
dumb
love
fun.
doing stuff like this. I was scared though.
Wait till the kids get older. They could do
Yeah,
shit.
that's what she just said.
They would love it.
They would love that shit. Let it, what? CJ would be scared, yeah.
They're not really older.
But he'll probably go with you, though. Like, if you go on it with him.
Yeah.
But yeah, we done. This camera's about to die, so we about to get dressed. Not get dressed, but take all this stuff off. Head back to the hotel and get some lunch. You know what I'm saying? But thank you. This shit was done.
Aw,
fun, you know
he's
what I'm
so
saying?
happy.
And then tomorrow is just another adventure.
Dumb
But the camera's
fun.
about to die. I love y'all.
So zip lining done, over. That was great. That was a great excursion. And now we out here.
She copied me.
Orange together.
Wait a minute.
Mm-hmm.
The gram, she
Stop.
told the gram that.
Bruh, I was standing in the shower. I didn't post it. I was standing in the shower.
Lie.
I was standing in the shower.
Lie.
What?
Lie on
I'm not.
camera. Go ahead. Tell him.
First of all,
Uh-oh.
Lie on camera.
I'm not gonna lie. I was standing in the shower and he had on these orange shorts and I said, babe, you my son. I said, I have an orange swimsuit.
Y'all look cute together in the orange. Y'all
Yeah, I like that.
stop.
That's a nice color.
Y'all
orange,
supposed
too.
to match. Y'all on vacation.
I'm not copying off him.
No, but that means you're undressed, right?
Listen. All I'm saying is that he was thinking the same way that I was thinking today.
I inspired you.
No, you didn't.
Wasn't orange his
So
favorite
we're
color
going to
anyway?
cut off the
It's
camera so we can have
up.
fun.
Yeah, you
Y'all
right.
seen us have fun
Her
today,
favorite color,
and yeah,
yellow. His is orange.
I inspire you.
Couples are supposed to wear the same color on vacation.
cut the camera
Right.
off on him because he get on nerves.
Yeah, matching all day.
Okay, y'all want to match. Like,
And
comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Nutto Squad.
Petty, I've been winning steady. Petty, I've been winning steady. Petty, 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 I've been winning steady.